Hey ye little yogis! Are you ready to wiggle, giggle, and feel amazing today? Let's shake our bodies, stretch like superheroes, and then float into a calm, peaceful zen. Come on, let's move together. Sit tall, legs out straight, and reach for those toes. Stretch long like a piece of spaghetti. Awesome! Now, stay sitting but reach one arm way over. You're a colorful rainbow bending in the wind. So strong! Next, come up to your knees, step 1 foot forward, and reach for the sky. You're a bright crescent moon. Good job! From here, stand all the way up and tickle the floor. Let your arms hang down low like a long elephant's trunk. Nice! Quickly lie on your tummy and lift your heart high. Hiss like a friendly, happy cobra. Way to go! Push back and stand with your feet wide and arms out. You're a brave warrior riding a big wave. You did it! Take a seat again and look over your shoulder. What do you see, little owl? Twist and smile. Fantastic! Now, curl up tiny and cozy on your knees. Be a quiet little turtle resting in its shell. Ready? Stand up tall on one leg and grow your branches high. You're a sturdy tree in the forest. Incredible balance! Lower down and bend one knee in front of you. You're a graceful mermaid swimming in the deep blue sea. So cool! Sit cross-legged now and twist gently to the side. Feel like a soft breeze blowing through the trees. Keep it up! Finally! Drop your hips low and bring your hands to your heart. You're a strong, happy frog. Superstar! You completed the whole flow. You are so strong, so stretchy, and so zen. If you had fun, please like and subscribe to Wiggle to Zen Kids for more adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.